Finding arbitrage opportunities in the cryptocurrency market involves identifying price differences for the same asset across different exchanges and capitalizing on these discrepancies. Here's a concise guide. Arbitrage basics. Arbitrage is the practice of buying an asset on one exchange where the price is low and simultaneously selling it on another exchange where the price is higher. Crypto price trackers. Use tools like CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and CryptoCommerce to monitor real-time prices across multiple exchanges. Arbitrage bots. Consider using automated trading bots like Hash Online, Gimmer, or CryptoHopper that can detect and execute arbitrage opportunities. Exchange selection. Identify a set of exchanges with significant volume and liquidity, such as Binance, Coinbase Pro, Kraken, and Bitfinex. Account setup. Create and verify accounts on these exchanges. Ensure you have funds deposited on multiple exchanges to act quickly. Real-time monitoring. Constantly monitor price differences for the same cryptocurrency across different exchanges. Spreadsheets and alerts. Use spreadsheets to track prices manually or set up alerts through APIs and crypto price alert services. Buy low, sell high. When a significant price difference is detected, buy the cryptocurrency on the exchange with a lower price and sell it on the exchange with a higher price. Consider fees. Account for transaction fees, withdrawal fees, and potential slippage to ensure that the trade remains profitable. Liquidity. Ensure there's sufficient liquidity to execute large trades without impacting prices. Transfer times. Be aware of transfer times between exchanges, as delays can erode profit margins.